Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. So you want to be a honeybee, slap that subscribe button. Well, today I got a package and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Don't need the bag. This is an interactive dog toy. And the dog, this is supposed to be able to go in the pool and keep your dog active as well as play with your dog. So let's open it up and see how it looks. Looks like a soccer ball. It has tabs on each side. Open it up here. And these are for the dogs to pull. Okay. And this right here, you need a air pump to blow the ball up. Now this comes in 3 different sizes by the weight of your dog. My dog is more of like a 45, 35 pounds. She's a medium, but she thinks she's a big dog. So I got the big dog one. And it comes with this string, which I have no idea what the string is for. But you do need a air pump. And you need to screw this onto the air pump and pump up the ball. This is a net. Okay, that's what this is. And we're going to pump this ball up. We'll be back with up close and personal. Okay, I purchased a ball pump, and it came with the adapter, so I'm going to put the adapter onto the ball pump. So you definitely need to buy a ball pump if you don't have one. And it came with the air needle. So I'm just going to screw it into here. And insert this into here. And pump it up. And this is how it looks. It's a nice, solid ball. And we're going to see if my doggy likes to play with it. Okay. I think she popped it. My dog is really rough with toys, so within 5 minutes of me blowing this up, she's got teeth marks in it already. And claw marks. already. So I think if they made the ball a little bit more sturdy, my dog wouldn't have popped a hole already in it. It's already deflating. She's been playing with it for about 15 minutes, and it's going to flatten out now. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee and you like my things and stuff and things. Likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.